Governor N-Indrasena Reddy Nallu arrived in Khowai division on a 2-day visit on Monday. He was given a guard of honor in front of the district administration office. Later, he inaugurated a TRLM stall inside the district administration office by cutting a ribbon. Governor N-Indrasena Reddy Nallu on visit to Khowai district. On Monday, Governor N-Indrasena Reddy Nallu arrived in Khowai division on a 2-day visit. Firstly, he was given a guard of honor in front of the district administration office. Later, he inaugurated a TRLM stall inside the district administration office by cutting the ribbon and attended the administrative meeting in the new conference hall. Administrative meeting started at 11:35 a.m. in the new conference hall of Khowai district administration in the presence of the governor. Earlier, he was facilitated by the district administration. All the block officers of the district, officers of every government department were present in this administrative meeting.
I came here to get interact with the district officials regarding the developmental programs, what is going on. Because the central government is taking a lot of interest for upliftment of the poor and downtrodden. So, in that regard, what is happening, just in fact, the officers are very good, and particularly they have taken initiative for eradicating child marriages. I am very happy knowing that project.
Reported by Biplab from Khowai, Chini Khorang.